In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Salesforce Authenticator app. Simple. First, make sure you have the Salesforce Authenticator app installed on your phone. It's free on both the App Store and Google Play. When you download it, confirm it's the official Salesforce Authenticator published by Salesforce. Allow notifications when prompted. Those alerts are what let you quickly approve sign-ins later. On your computer, sign into Salesforce and click your profile icon. Choose Settings. In the left side search bar, type App Registration Salesforce Authenticator. Open that page and click Connect. This action starts the secure pairing process between your Salesforce account and the app on your phone. You'll be asked to enter your username and password again. After you do, Salesforce will prompt you for multi-factor authentication. Choose the option labeled Choose another verification method, then select Salesforce Authenticator. This tells Salesforce you want to register the mobile app as your MFA method moving forward. Now switch to your phone. Open the Salesforce Authenticator app and tap Add an Account. On your computer, you'll see a two-word phrase. Enter that exact two-word phrase into the app. This phrase securely links your phone to your Salesforce account without exposing any personal details. Take a moment to double-check spelling and spacing so the pairing succeeds the first time. When the app recognizes the phrase, tap Connect in the app to finalize. You should see your Salesforce account listed in the app, confirming everything is linked. From here on, signing in will be quicker and more secure. Here's how it works the next time you log in with MFA. Start by entering your username and password on the Salesforce login page as usual. After you submit, you'll get a push notification on your phone from Salesforce Authenticator. If you don't see it right away, unlock your phone and open the app. It will show the request there as well. In the app, review the details shown, like the user and the service, to make sure the request is really from you. If everything looks correct, tap Approve. You'll be signed in immediately. This extra check only takes a second and helps protect your account. If your phone doesn't have an internet connection, don't worry. Open the app and use the one-time code it generates. Enter that code on the Salesforce prompt on your computer to finish logging in. That's it. You've connected Salesforce Authenticator and learned exactly how to use it every time you sign in. Keep notifications enabled and you'll enjoy fast, secure approvals with just a tap.